Whoever wants to ask questions should stand up immediately. Yes.
Assalamualaikum Bilal Fuzur.
Walaikum salam. Yes.
My name is Mansur Ahmad Syahid, and I currently already serve in Jamaat as a translator. My question is,
You are serving Jamaat as a translator?
I already serve in Jamaat as a translator.
Translator. You are translating from Indonesian to English or English to Indonesian?
Indonesian to English, and English to Indonesian too.
Acha, mashallah. Acha. Okay, now ask your question.
Okay, Huzur, I want to ask, there are so many discrimination cases in Indonesia, so that my question is, can a Wakafin become a policymaker or a government employee to serve to the country for the benefit of Jamaat? Jazakumullah.
Discrimination cases in Indonesia with regards to the Jamaat or in general?
In general, especially in religious matters.
So discrimination. So you mean
Yes.
that should Waqfin and all come into this politics and other positions
Yes.
to fight against this discrimination, right?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
I have asked you that even those Waqfin and all who are not directly serving the Jamaat, who are not going to Jamia Ahmadiyya, or not those who are not interested in doing medicine and not serving in the Jamaat's hospital, they can go into the public service. And if you are in the public service, you can help reduce the discrimination in the country, because most of the public servants are doing all these things. Politicians are also relying on public servants. So if your public service people, government servants are good enough to do their job honestly, then they will reduce discrimination. And if Waqfin and Ahmadi boys even are serving in the public service, they can help reduce discrimination in the society. Yes? If you want to go into public service, you can go. Okay?
Yes.
All right. Right, next. Yes.